Hey everyone, my name is Jeffrey Callahan, and today I'm going to be doing my public health issue pitch plan, which is obesity, and specifically childhood obesity. So, to understand this issue and why I'm attacking it from this angle, you first need to understand why it's important to address childhood obesity. So, an article written by Smith, Fu, and Kobayashi explains that childhood obesity has risen over the last decade despite advances in other areas of childhood health in America. It also explains that adopting healthy behaviors at an early age has been proven to translate to healthier adulthoods overall, and that if implemented properly in schools, children can actually teach their families at home more healthy habits and physical activity that they can do on their own. So, to tackle this issue, I would first start by making it a cross sector collaboration between private and public businesses and entities. So, we would first start by addressing the two issues that cause obesity, which is a lack of proper nutrition and a lack of physical activity. So, to address physical activity, I would use as a model the Play 60 campaign, which is a campaign started by the NFL that partners with athletes to promote physical activity in kids that's easy and fun to do. And so to do this, we would first try to implement it in schools. So the leader on this issue would be the local governments, and you would do probably school boards in order to implement it in schools. And then they could partner with people in the community, like local gyms and trainers, to implement effective and doable workouts for children. And they can also partner with possible local celebrities to make it fun and to show that people other than just the kids would be doing this. And then, thirdly, you would uh, then go to the city council to create safe places for kids to exercise after school in the community. And then to tackle the nutrition aspect, you could use something like Smart Snacks in School program, which is a program that essentially lays out guidelines for schools to implement healthier snacks that will promote uh, not necessarily weight loss, but more active and more healthy children. So the leader on this would also be local school boards to implement it in schools. And then other stakeholders in the community could be local nutritionists and dietitians that would continuously analyze progress and tweak the approach for the best results in the community. And then you could also get famous spokespeople, just like we did for the activity campaign, that would promote healthy eating, not only inside of school, but then outside of school. And it would be a take home message from these celebrities. And then finally, to incorporate all of this and do it in a feasible manner, you could use tax incentives or public institutions to help fund them to fund these issues, like the CDC, the NIH, the American Medical Association, local health departments, or other government entities that would help with the funding of these issues and help offset the cost that is incurred by the local stakeholders like the dietitians, nutritionists, and gyms and trainers. Thank you for listening to my pitch plan, and I hope you enjoy.